Life is not so easy for a lot of us, but if we take advantage of the resources readily available to us, earnings could possibly flow more often than you can imagine. Or maybe you just have a lot of extra time and you are now looking to use that time to earn a little bit more on the side. Whoever you are and whatever your goal is, stay with me for a bit as I am about to show you how you can earn a decent amount of money by doing what everyone is doing in this day and age: typing. If you have an internet connection, which is very common to have now, I guarantee this will work for you. Now, do you have a laptop or a computer to type on? If you have, then that's perfect. The simple task of typing can easily add money to your cash flow. Knowing the right websites that offer to pay for typing is the last key. Lucky for you, we have the key to the kingdom: the website that pays for you to type. Stick around and let's find yet another way for you to make money online. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Typing sure sounds easy, right? I'm sure you are asking right now, what's in it for me? Are you curious as to how much you could earn with online typing jobs? Buckle up, as the website I will show you today will match your typing skills, which means the faster and the more accurate you type, the more you will earn. You get rewarded based on your skills, which guarantees you will never get underpaid. And the best part, you get to do all these things in the comfort of your home in your own time. By typing simple words, any words, and creating a page with 300 words, this is easy $20 added to your bank account. If you are able to work on creating 2 pages, you will have $40. If you reach 3 pages, then add another $20 to your total earnings. It is amazing how the amount of earnings you can have depends on how much work you are willing to do. This means the possibility of earning a lot is within reach, and only you are the barrier to getting more cash. Imagine, if your rate based on your typing skills is $20, then if you are able to create 5 pages of work, that is an easy $100 for you. I don't know about you, but I have been typing ever since I can remember. I'm sure a lot of you have great typing skills too. How are you liking this video? Do you think an online typing job will work for you? I like that I can work from home. If you think this video is helpful for you to earn more money, hit the like and subscribe button. Comment how many words per minute you can type and let us see if you are the fastest here. Let us know what you think about the video in the comment section below. Now, back to the video. We have been talking about what you will need for this job, what skills you need to have for this job, and how much you will earn with this job. Now, let us talk about the website that can offer you an online typing job. The website is called Talent Desire. Just visit www.talentdesire.com to access the website. Once you are on the website, you will find that you are nearer to your dream career. You have the opportunity to work with a lot of established and famous brands, as well as companies, while working from home. There is also no need to shell out money to get started. Incredibly easy, right? If you scroll down, you will find the main homepage. There are a lot of options to choose from for those people who want to make money online. The choices span from online paid survey jobs, online proofreading, content writing jobs to language translation jobs, and a lot more. I'm sure you will find the job that suits you best. There are too many available jobs offered online, so let us focus on just one job for today's video: online typing jobs. How does the possibility of earning $100 just by typing sound to you? If you feel this would be a walk in the park for you, comment down below. Do you want us to post more videos like this? We would like to hear from you. Drop a comment on what kind of other online jobs you would like us to talk about next. While you are here, why don't you smash the like and subscribe buttons? Now, back to the video. Now go right ahead and click on the option Online Typing Jobs. You will land on a new page that will give you more information about the jobs. You will also see what they are offering for the online typing job and the pay rate. You can earn as high as $15,000 to $30,000 per year. As you gain more skills and experience, you can earn a lot more than that. So, invest in yourself and earn more. We are all beginners at a job at some point in our life. It could be scary and overwhelming to start a new job, but that is why I am here to guide you. Stay with me on this video and I will be with you every step of the way. With the right attitude, earning more money is possible. I'm about to show you another website that could determine your typing skills and abilities. This website can also help you in practicing your typing skills. The website is called Ratatype. You can access the website by going to www.ratatype.com. This website offers typing lessons to type faster, all for free. You also have the option to take a typing test to determine how fast and accurate you type. You will get a typing certificate after the typing test that you can then show to your employer. This will give you a higher chance of getting an online typing job. Did you access the Ratatype website? How fast can you type? Do you now feel that you are more comfortable taking an online typing job? Drop on the comment section below how fast you can type. Hit the like and subscribe button while you are there. Also, comment on your first ever job and tell us how scared you were on the first day of your first job. I was pretty nervous, but didn't you get used to it and suddenly everything was easier? Comment your job experiences. We would like to hear from you. Now, back to the video. To start with Ratatype, click on the button Start Typing Right Now. You will then be able to type the words you see on your screen. The goal is to type as fast and as accurately as you can. You will need to achieve a score of 98% to be qualified for an online typing job much faster. You can practice and try again on the same website as many times as you need if you did not get a score of 98%. With enough practice, you will surely reach 98%. Once you have reached the score of 98%, create an account so you can download your typing certificate. You just need to enter your full name, email address, and password. As usual, there are boxes to tick to agree with the website's terms of use and policies. Complete this step as the typing certificate will help a lot in your job application. Let us now go back to the Typing Desire website to start your job application. At the bottom of the screen, click on Apply Now. You will land on a new page where you will get a guide on how you can have a career as an online typist. Now click on the button showing as Fill in Your Details. That will lead you to the online application form. This form shouldn't take you more than 15 minutes to fill out. Make sure to tick the box for the privacy policy. Proceed with filling in your basic personal information. Once you have entered your personal information, type Online Job Typing on the preferred job title field. Select the time you will be working. If you select all day, the chance of getting a job will be higher. After this, select your preferred mode of payment to receive your earnings. Tick the box that says you have read and accepted the terms of agreement. For the last step, affix your signature and click Submit to start your journey and earn more online. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck, and see you in our next video.